you ever get inspired by a YouTuber and wanted to make videos just like them, but you didn't know how to? In that case, it's your lucky day. I'll tell you everything you need to know. First, you need to head over to Play Store and search Recorder, and then you can choose any one of them, it doesn't matter. And make sure you have that orange ball on your screen. But if you start recording before entering the game, your video will be sideways. So yeah, enter the game, start recording, keep recording for a few minutes and then upload it to YouTube. Done! You're a YouTuber now. But if you wanna be a good YouTuber, in that case forget the last step. Don't upload your video. Instead go back to Play Store and search UCut. And once you open UCut, you will find or at least I think you will find all your TikTok and gaming videos in there and other things. So you need to choose the video you just recorded with VRecorder or whatever screen recorder you use. The one I'm using is called VRecorder. It's my favorite. Hey, Blue Fox, no one cares. So yeah, you choose the video and then edit the video. I just want to say that UCut is such an amazing tool. I don't want to spoil it for you by telling you all the incredible things you can do with UCut. I think it's better if you find out for yourself. If you don't want to be a YouTuber and edit and find out for yourself and stuff, you can check out my other videos after finishing watching this one. Actually, you know what? I changed my mind. This video is way too short, which is why I'm gonna talk more about UCut. So you can combine videos before editing them, add shaking effects like you see in my other videos. You can also decide if you want your video to look warm or cold. You can zoom in and out if you want to make it easier for yourself to cut less than a second out of your video. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed and good luck if you want to be a YouTuber.